Question 5, we've got 3 fractions to deal with now. The common denominator of these is the 3 things times together, because each of these are different. So we've got to put each of these in the common denominator. We've times this one by these 2. So we've got 3 lots of x plus 1, x plus 2 here. Here we're timesing the 2 by the x and the x plus 2. Am I going to have room here? And on the end there, the 1 is being times by the x and the x plus 1. Sorry if you can't quite see that. Lots of multiplying out to do then. Multiplying out that bracket there gives me x squared plus 3x plus 2, doesn't it? So timesing it by 3, I'm missing out the line of working here, gives me 3x squared plus 9x plus 6. So I multiplied out the bracket and timesed it by 3 all in one go. Here I've got x and x plus 2 here, and I'm timesing it by 2. So I've got 2x squared plus 4x. And here, well, it was just a 1 there, wasn't it? So I've got x squared plus x there, all over the 3 parts to it. And I've now got to tidy the top. So I've got 3, 4, 5, 6x squareds. I've got 9, 10, 14 x's. And there's a 6 on the end there as well. Now, that might be enough, but you can spot a 2 goes into the top there, can't you? So we could take out the factor of 2 here and see what happens. So I've got 3x squared plus 7x plus 3. And sometimes this part here would factorize 2, but I don't think that one does. So I've started part B already here, and clearly you've got the 3 bits on the bottom are going to be the 3 parts on the top here and the bottom there. And just talking through this bit here, there's a 4 here. This has been times by these 2, so the 4 needs to be times by these 2 as well. Minus 2. That one's been times by the 3x and the 2x plus 1, so that will be times by the 3x and the 2x plus 1. Minus 1, and again I've run out of room, but there's going to be a 3x in here and an x minus 2 in there as well. So I'm pausing so you don't have to watch all of this each time. So for my next line, the bottom stays the same. What I've done is I've multiplied that bit there out to get this quadratic here. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to multiply this quadratic out here and put it here, and then that quadratic out as well. So there's what it all tidies up to give. Last bit then, I've got 6x squared minus, 8x squared minus 12x squared minus another 3. So that should be plus there, shouldn't it? And I've just realised that error came from me writing the question down wrong. I'm not doing all that again. So there's a plus there, sorry about that. So that should be plus there. So 8 and 3 is 11. Take away 12 makes minus x squared. I've got minus 24 x's altogether there. And I've got a minus 8 there as well. All over 3x squared. All of that. Oh, shall I take a minus out of that as well? We could actually do minus 1 lots of x squared plus 24x plus 8 if you want to do. You might then want to see if that factorizes it. But we'll stop now. Let's stop there. It's already been going for 4 minutes and I've still got another one to do. Pause there.